Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the second to last day of February, which is day 27 of loving my minis in February. I'm so excited. I've got my little pillow back for the last couple days. I've got my pink dye. I did end up putting nails on because I just couldn't help myself. So we do have $8 that we're bringing, and I'm so excited to see in the next 2 days what we end up saving money-wise, but more importantly, how many challenges we finished, because that is my goal, is to go through my stack of minis that I've had for 2 years now, at least 2+ years, and really just see how much we can use up those challenges and maybe start fresh with some new ones. So I put my $8 in the bank. I have my prop coins here, $8 worth. I will bring $10 tomorrow, so that'll be fun. And we are going to start at number 4. Okay, so let's mix these up a little bit. How are you doing? How's your week going? The weather here is supposed to warm up a little bit, which is kind of nice. Had a couple cool mornings though, so I'm like, I think today is supposed to be in the upper 70s, which I'll take that. It's been a little chilly, so I'll take that. We're going to get started. We're going to put 3 prop coins down on number 4. Okay, skip 5. Oh, it was stuck on the clip. There we go. 2 for 5. 3 for number 6. 1 for number 7. 1, 2, 3 for number 8. 3 for number 1. And I think I'm going to stick with the 8 challenges. And I think I'm going to stick with the $8. Oh my goodness. All that for 1. It's a nice spin for March. So, 1 for 3. Boo. Made it all the way around. So 3 goes into number 4. 3 goes into 5. Oh my goodness. 3 goes into 6. And we have 1 left. So that will go into number 7. And we will start at number 8 for our last day of February. So let's see what we got going on here today. All right, number 1 got $1. Nice. And number 1 is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we'll use our green. We're getting ready to use our St. Patty Day March colors. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take care of yourself first. Love that. And I did find a much smaller little tray, so I thought I'd use that for my prep coins. Been looking for all these things all month. Found them. Oh, poor 2 got 25 cents. And this one is from Sweet Indulgence Budgets. And you can do 1 more box. So 1 more dollar, and then that one will be done. All right, and number 3, number 3 got 25 cents. This one is from Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 1 more circle. This one will save us $5. All right, number 4. Number 4 got $1.75. This one is from Sam over at Saving with Sam. So we can finish out this row and do the whole next row. Oculus Reparo. We have a lot of big ones now, so I don't know if we'll finish any more before the end of February, but we'll just roll those into March, so that is not a problem. All right, we have $1.25 going into number 5. Oh, just kidding, we finished one. All right, so 50 cents went to this one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So this one helped us save $3. We have 75 cents we can put into a new one. Ooh, let's do this one. This came in Happy Mail. This is from Chaos Budgeting, and we have Bell, so we can put 75 cents in this one. Perfect. All right, number 6. All right, $1.75 going into number 6. That's a lot. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. His little tiny Coke Zeros. So cute. All right, so we have 25, 50, 75, $1. So that's that one, and then 25, 50, and 75. So $1.75 left, and that one will finish. All right, and last but not last, 75 cents going into 7. Second to last but not least. All right, we have from our beautiful budget, so that's 75 cents. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. This one actually only has 75 more cents, and that will save us $6. All right, and number 8 got $1. And that's what it needed. Yay, we finished another one. So this one is from Budgeting with Kim. So this saved us $3. And we do not have any rollover, so we will start a new one. And I have this one off to the side. This came in, this was from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets from her live on Monday. So I am just going to put this little one in here. And then that is what we have for today. So let's see what we got going on with our bank. So we saved $6 today. So we can grab a 5 and a 1, which is really exciting because tomorrow we're going to do a little left, right, center. After we finish, we'll count up how many challenges we completed. We'll know how much money we're saving. So very exciting about tomorrow. I'll just shove this in here. And then these two will go in here. Love it. All right, well, you guys, thank you so much. Tomorrow's, it's getting harder and harder. Okay, so tomorrow is our last day of February, and then we will be starting a whole new thing in March. But first, we have to know how much we saved, how many challenges we completed, and where all that money's going. So please come back tomorrow. I'm so excited. Spoiler alert, I'm filming it right after this. I'm so excited. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a fantastic weekend. And until next time, take care. Bye.